And welcome back to Andrew's Academy on our last video of the series. I know it's quite sad. So in this video, I believe that this is going to be the video that most of you are going to be using to study for your midterm, exam, whatever it might be. So we're going to do a little summary. So a recall. Okay. So we learned in this video series that the derivative of e to the power of x in respect to x is e to the power of x. We also learned that the derivative of a base to the power of x in respect to x, right? The base being any number is just going to be the base to the power of x times the log of the natural number of b. Okay? We also talked a little bit about optimization questions. So those were the questions we covered in this series, both a bacteria-related question and a radioactive substance decay question, which you're free to look at in the previous videos, where we took the derivative. So taking the derivatives of these was really important, and setting it to 0 to give us that maximum value which we were looking for. So we're going to do one final question, which I believe if you're able to do this, you get the general idea of this. So this is going to be our final summarizing question. So y is equal to x times e to the power of 2x. So differentiate. So we've already done this question in previous videos, and it's really quite easy. And what you must understand is that everything that you have learned about derivatives so far in previous in your course, online, whatever it might be, is going to be used in this. And that really this is just an expansion of those rules, and all we're really doing is adding this rule and this rule. That's it. There's nothing special. So all we're going to do is split this up here. We have part A and part B. So this is going to multiply together, and we're going to have a product rule when taking the derivative. So the derivative of the first is 1 times the second, which is e to the power of 2x, plus the derivative of the second. We know, right, if we take 2x, let me choose a different color here, 2x, and we sub this in as a variable of w, we'll have e to the power of w times the derivative of w, which is 2. When we differentiated with respect to x, and therefore need to sub back this exponent as the value of w. So what we're going to do, this is equal to e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 2x times 2. So what we can do is factor out this e to the power of 2x because it's common in both. And we'll have a 1 here and a 2, which leads us to 3 times e to the power of 2x. So there we successfully differentiated this equation. Really, what you need to remember is stay confident, right? This is quite simple. You've done plenty of practice before. If you have any questions, you can feel free to comment in any of the videos, and I'll make sure to answer them as quickly as I can. I really thank you for joining me in this series. I hope that it was as important to you and as it was to me. And once again, huge thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.